Hello everyone, good day. This is Sean, CTO Software Division at WoMaster. Today, Patrick and I will present smart meter reading and ThingsMaster OTA to you. Let's take a look at today's agenda. The first topic I will introduce advantages of a smart meter. And then the second topic I will introduce WoMaster smart meter solution. The first one is smart meter DOMS NBIoT gateway solution, and the second one will be smart meter Mbus NBIoT gateway. And then both solutions can upload the smart meter data to the ThingsMaster OTA. Thus, we can see the smart meter data in real time, and also we can see the smart meter data statistics on the OTA dashboard. So later in this part, Patrick will assist to also do the demo for you. In the smart meter solution live demo, this part, Patrick will demo the smart meter DOMS NBIoT solution to do the demo with ThingsMaster OTA to the demo by using DOMS NBIoT gateway. Let's take in this slide, I will introduce the advantage of smart meter. In a smart meter, it eliminates manual monthly meter readings and provide automated bill. In some of the smart meter, electricity, gas or water, some especially gas meter, it need manually monthly readings. And through this way, it's not convenient, and sometimes the bill is not so accurate. So through this way, through the smart meter, it helps to eliminate the necessary of a manual monthly meter reading can provide automated bill. And we can monitor and analyze the meter statistics real time through the ThingsMaster OTA. And then more efficient use of power usages, and also save energy and cost. Because we already monitor the meter data in real time, so thus we can provide more. We can cut back if the power usage is over, maybe is over. So in this month, so we can cut back the usage. So through this way, you can save the energy and also save the cost. And then it will provide more accurate bill, because this is not a manual bill, it's automatic bill, so it will be more accurate. Because sometimes we forgot to, by using the manual meter reading this way, sometimes if the customer forgot to record the meter data, and then usually the power company, they will, based on the meter the power we used last month to charge the bill. So through this way, it's not so accurate. So through the smart meter, it can provide us more accurate bill. This is a WoMaster smart meter solution we provided. We provide the first solution is using the SCP-211DL. This is, we can read the electricity meter and other meters through the DOMS, and then convert to the MQTT COAP or COAP to the ThingsMaster OTA. In the ThingsMaster OTA, it can help to, we can see the meter usage trend analyzed by using the ThingsMaster OTA. And of course, through the solution, it can provide us a more accurate bill and reduce energy consumption. And then later, I'll introduce the other solution is using the SCP-111. This is the Mbus gateway to the NBIoT. It can go, the meter data can also send to the health system by using the MQTT and the COAP. This is our solution provided, smart meter solution provided by WoMaster. And this is the smart meter reading through the DMS COSM by using our SCP-211. Smart meter can be, in this case, a DLMS protocol can be used to read the data from the smart meter and then send to the head system through the COAP and MQTT. This is zero COSM port DLMS COSM settings. Here we provide in our user interface authentication, server client address interval, and also you can see the office code can be provided in our website and input to see all the office code can provide to read the meter data. This is examples of smart meter office code. The office code is supported, this is supported to read the meter data. Okay, see the power, voltage, current, value, and through all the power in different time intervals can be reading from the smart meter by using our gateway, our power gateway. And this slide shows the data format we use to send the smart meter data to the health system through the COAP. This goes through the UDP protocol, and the MQTT go through the TCP protocol. And this is the COAP MQTT data payload in format, office code, and also a serial number or the meter data. This is example for the both COAP and the MQTT data format. And this is a DLMS COSM web screenshot in our SCP-211. You see, you can you enter, you can input office code here, and then you can see all the data, smart meter data. To if this smart meter support this office code, you can see this live or value, or not only alive here. Yes, that means this office code is supported by this smart meter. You can also see the value here. This is a DLMS COSM web screenshot provided by our SCP-211. This slide shows the upload office code and smart meter data via COAP and MQ to a haste. This you can see the smart meter data already sent to the ThingsMaster OTA, the power, even the smart meter, the power meter data. This is in different intervals, and also you can see the trend, how many usage in different time. You can see the trend usage. Later, Patrick will demo this part to you. And then in this session, I will introduce our second solution for the smart meter solution. This is Mbus NBIoT gateway, smart. This Mbus NBIoT gateway. This part Mbus, and then go through our gateway and then send data to MQTT and the COAP to the health system, and also can send to the OTA here. Of course, in this case, meter usage trend can be analyzed by using the OTA, and the smart meter can provide more accurate bill and reduce energy consumption. In this device, in this gateway, we provide the low power technology. Its built-in low power technology includes the innovative, WoMaster innovative low power techniques, is including fast wake-up time and energy saving modes. In the power consumption, in the working operation, and it provides a maximum 52 mega amp. And in the power saving mode, you can save up to 99% of power usage. So it's a very low power technology used in this gateway. You can see it provide up to 5 years of power battery. And in this gateway, SCP-111, we provide a Windows utility for easy to use. It's USB. It can be connected through the laptop or a notebook through the USB, and it can support all Windows. This utility can support all Windows platform. No need installation and provide account management. Here is the screenshot for this Windows utility. This is the screenshot for the Windows utility for Mbus settings. In the Mbus setting, we provide flexible baud rate for various meters from 300 Mbps to 9600 Mbps. And we provide flexible meter reading interval, to provide the best energy saving, And this is a Windows utility for Mbus data here. It's convenient to scan the meter. We provide scan function, and you can see this is all the live meter data with timestamps. So we can see the energy, power, volume, flow. In this case, you can see the power volume, water flow, water temperature here in real time, and you can see the timestamps here. This is the Windows utility for NBIoT. In this screenshot, you can see the NBIoT user password status, IP connection status. Is convenient to using by setting the NBIoT by using our Windows utility. And this is we can choose as the DLMS gateway. We can choose to send the meter data to the head system or ThingsMaster OTA through MBT or COAP. So this screenshot can help to set up all the MQTT required information and also COAP required information. This is a screenshot to show you once we upload the smart meter data to the OTA via through the MQTT and the COAP. Here you can see the water volume right now in real time, and also the flow rate, and also the current flow temperature. And also you can see the trend, current flow statistics, statistics. And then in this session, Patrick will help to demo how to read the smart meter by using our SCP-211.
Hello everyone. Today we will show you how to using the SCP-211 to reading the smart meter. Okay, so first page is our demo topology this time. So you can see we have a Landis power meter in the left side and connected RS485 two wire to the WoMaster SCP-211, and SCP-211 use the NBIoT connected to the internet to upload the data to the ThingsMaster OTA. Okay, so between the power meter and the SCP-211, the protocol is DLMS and the OBS code. And between the SCP-211 and the ThingsMaster OTA cloud, the protocol is constant application protocol. Okay, so this is our demo topology, and you can see in the upper right side, we have our demo site. This is the login information of our demo site. Okay, this is the user level account. You can log in and see how our ThingsMaster OTA works. And if you want to test, you can submit an application to our sales to get a admin level account. Then you can try more function of our OTA cloud. Okay. So the first we need the configuration the serial and the DLMS between the power meter and the SCP-211. So first we go to the serial page. Okay, so we can select service mode and we change the pooling interval, and we input the server address. The default is 1, and the client address default is 16. Okay, and then in the IMS page, okay, you can see we can just easy to select the serial number and the name you can identify, and the OBS code, then submit. Then we can add more and more OBS code list in the below. Okay, so we go to the web user interface of the SCV211, and then we go to the serial page. Okay, so you can see the interface is IS485 2-wire, and the service mode. Now we have the new service mode, DLMS here, and the interval default is 60 seconds. It's too long. For a demo, we can change to a shorter interval. I give the 2 seconds. And the serial address is the default 1. In the topology, the server is power meter. Okay, so the power meter, the default serial number is 1. And the client is our SCV211, and the default is system. It means the SCV211 will pull in data from power meter every 2 seconds. Okay, so we change and submit. Then we go to the IoT and we choose the DLMS page. Okay, so you can see we already input the 4 Mbus code. Okay, so we can refresh. Okay, then we can, for example, if you want to edit more Mbus code, we can edit. For example, I added a clock. The clock means the system time of the power meter, and the Mbus code is and we input the Mbus code and press submit. Okay, so you can see it added 1 more, and the SCV211 need passing the data again, so we need wait about 15 to 20 seconds. Okay, we can refresh. Okay, so you can see the clock is alive. It's also showing yes, and the value is the now time in Taiwan. Okay, so we also submit. Okay, so we're back to the PowerPoint. So here are the Mbus code examples. Of course, you can add more and more Mbus code in the page. These Mbus code are defined in the spec of the power meter. Okay, this Mbus code is for your reference. Okay, so next, we want to configure the IMS. Okay, the IMS page. The IMS page, we can configure the COAP protocol and the relation data. For example, we can input the IMS server. We can choose the COAP port and the access token. We can copy from the ThingsMaster and the publish interval. Okay, so the publish interval we suggest equal to pulling interval in serial page. Okay, so we're back to the system. We go to the IoT, and this time we select the IMS protocol. So you can see we check enable, and we choose the COAP as our protocol, and the IMS server, we input our demo site URL and the port access token. Okay, and we also input interval 2 seconds and submit. And if your information is correct, the status will show okay. Then we're back to PowerPoint. So after the configuration of the SCV211, we can go to the ThingsMaster OTA to check. In left side is our device. We can see the data received from the SCV211, and the right side is our dashboard. So we can check both sides is correct. Okay, so we go to the ThingsMaster. The ThingsMaster is our demo site. Okay, so we go to the device and we choose the SCV211. So we can see if you want to copy access token, you can click this button, and we can go to the latest telemetry, and we sort by the last update time. So you can see because we input pulling interval is 2 seconds, so you can see the data is refresh every 2 seconds. Okay, so now we can go to the dashboard. The dashboard, we have a meter dashboard. So you can see we have the 3 values with the background. Okay, the three values means the power consumption count of the live wire of the 3 phase electric or power source, because it's only demo, not really use the power meter, so the number is not changed. Okay, and we also have a run chart to monitor the L1 voltage, so you can see the input voltage every 2 seconds refresh. Okay, and of course we can add more widget we need, okay, to monitor. And if we want to give some feedback from OTA server, for example, the voltage to low or to high, we can combine the rule chain to do some chain to alarm if some situation happen. For example, voltage too high or too low, you can use this one to do a little coding programming. Okay. Okay, so today this is our demo today. Okay, so if you have any question, you can send mail to our sales or PM or technical support, and we will reply to you. Okay, and remember to join us the next webinar. Okay. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.